It's 90 kilograms. We'll try rep max 6. Rep max 8 kung kaya.
If you had to do just one exercise for the rest of your life to protect your brain, and you could only pick one, what would it be?
Deadlift.
Why?
If done correctly, the deadlift can use almost every muscle in your body. Erector spinae, you've got the glutes, you've got the quads, you've even got serratus anterior, you've got your calf muscles. There is so much compounding in that one lift. Would probably be comparable to a barbell squat as well. It was a twin study. They took a group of 300 sets of twins and they tracked them over a decade. But what they found was that the twin who had greater leg power had better global cognition and better cognitive scores. They did a further study 12 years later and they took a subset of twins and they worked on leg power over those 12 years, and what they found was that they had greater grey matter volume as seen on MRI volumetrics.
$100 kilos, rep max 4. And coming here sa Papua New Guinea, I've lost 8 kilograms in the last 5 months. I actually lost 6 kilograms in the first 3 months. And all I do is basically keep active, do my work, clinic, ER, ambulatory surgeries, and a few ORs. I'm doing 1 to 2 meals a day. Usually it's once a day. Nakatamad magluto eh. Get lazy having to cook. Stuff like that. But I'm back to being lean, and I'm back to lifting my close to my personal best. It's a deadlift. I'm happy with it. Ingat.